Welcome back. I'm about to list some of the bad habits that most drivers commit and may cause damage to cars' transmission. You should never do next things in a manual transmission car. 8 things not to do. 1. Never engage the clutch continuously while driving. The clutch is supposed to be engaged only when you are pressing the brake or changing gears. If you keep it pressed halfway while driving, it will lead to extra friction and the clutch will wear out sooner. It will not only reduce the durability, but also increase your car's maintenance cost. 2. Never shift gears without engaging the clutch. Not engaging the clutch while shifting gears can be harmful to transmission of your car. The main function of a clutch is to control the contact between engine and transmission. The car can run into a series of jerky motions as it struggles to find the right balance. 3. Never leave your manual car in gear when stationary. This implies that the clutch is also engaged. Keeping the clutch engaged for longer durations wears it out sooner, as mentioned earlier. This will increase the maintenance cost for your car. 4. Never use wrong gears with wrong speeds. Using wrong gears at wrong speeds visibly stresses the car. The car will lag and you will hear the noise that is not natural for a car to make. This sound is caused by the strain on the transmission and the engine of your car. 5. Never press on the brake without engaging the clutch. Without engaging the clutch, some drivers prefer to hit the brake. This is not advised for people who have recently learned driving. You need to have more control over the vehicle and expertise to handle it in such a situation. Your car will start jolting if you brake without clutching. 6. Never accelerate hard before switching to the next gear. Accelerating at the lower gear will launch your car at a higher speed. However, it can only reach a certain high point. Driving with this setting will put a strain on your gearbox and this habit will damage it faster. 7. Never switch to neutral while driving. Some people think that they save fuel doing that, but it would not save any. However, it is dangerous to do so. Switching to neutral will reduce the control you have over the car. This can prove to be life-threatening in a risky situation. 8. Never shift to second gear immediately. Switching to the second gear immediately will reduce the expected life of the gearbox. It is advised to switch to the second gear only when the car is running between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Plus one suggestion: never rest your hand on gear shift. Most people put their hand on the knob for resting. Manual transmission vehicles have gear shift knob for changing gears. There is a link between knob and fork below the gear knob setup. In such cases, the force can break or damage the gearbox components. Plastic fork damages or breaks. I hope that I've been able to share a lot of new information, so that your gearbox and your car will serve you on the road for a long time. Thank you for watching this video. I will try to upload more similar content as time goes on. So please subscribe and comment on the video, as I welcome all constructive comments. Drive safe, and see you soon.